the training side, we're seeing a lot of the VR goggles and stuff when it comes to LE and military. I think that has its place, but I also think that, with our system, we do live fire, but we also do less lethal, but it's with projectiles. So, airsoft, the unit solution rifles, it could be BBs, pellets, simunitions, which I think should be a market that training and like organizations should really start to consider because we can get the officers or personnel or military more trigger time and more training time on less lethal systems before you move them into situations with live fire stuff. And so I think there's a gap there where you could really work with them on, you know, their their shooting precision and situational stuff with the less lethal, and then you can move them in to the live fire stuff. So I think there's a big gap there. Other trends, I mean, our industry is a big industry, so I think the training is really going to be important because there's so many CCW laws and there's a lot of states that are now allowing people to carry. And I don't want to say they become less stringent, but even in Ohio, you don't technically have to take the course to carry in Ohio anymore, whereas you had to take it. Now, if you want to carry outside of state lines, you do. But I bring that up because I think the training will become a very important piece because I think if you're going to carry a gun, you really need to have that training, or you need to be able to provide, to people that you've done this training when you carry a gun, or if you have to, unfortunately make a decision to use it, and hopefully that's, not the case. You know, we want to make sure that that you're doing things correctly and that you've got the training, and that's what we hope people will get back into that trend of, yeah, I understand I don't have to go get the license, but I do need to go train, and hopefully our system and some of the apps and some of that data will start to help people really like progress and track their training.